The next day we woke up to the news that there had been an earthquake in Saitama. This day we went really early to the train to get to Arashiyama. Arashiyama is famous for a lot of things. One highlight is the Togetsukyo Bridge, which has existed since the Heian period and is often used as a filming location for historical movies. The name Togetsukyo means Moon Crossing Bridge and comes from a legend about Kameyama Tenno in the Kamakura period. During a moonlit boat party, the Tenno remarked that the moon appeared as if it were crossing the bridge. However, Arashiyama is best known among tourists for its beautiful bamboo forest. It has become one of Japan's most famous photo spots. Many visitors dress in traditional kimonos only for their visit. The dense bamboo forest stretches along a walking path, creating a magical atmosphere with the gentle rustling of the bamboo stalks and the interplay of light and shadow. When we first visited the bamboo forest in 2019, it was much less crowded compared to today. Unfortunately, some of the bamboo has also been damaged by tourists here, something we already noticed during our visit in 2019. Despite the large crowds, the Arashiyama bamboo forest remains an unforgettable sight. As you walk through, you'll pass several side paths leading into the mountains, as well as shrines, and delicious food stalls. If you feel tired of walking through Japan, why not rent a rickshaw? You can explore the entire bamboo forest by rickshaw as well. The Nonomiya Shrine is dedicated to the kami of purification and protection, and has a special connection to the imperial family. In the past, imperial priestesses who served at the Ise Shrine had to undergo a purification ritual at Nonomiya before they started their journey. Today, many people visit the shrine to pray for good fortune in love, happy marriage, and success in exams. At the end of the bamboo forest, you will find many bamboo-crafted souvenirs and a variety of delicious street food stalls. Our next destination was the Sagano romantic train station. This nostalgic train ride takes you along the Hozugawa River, offering breathtaking views of the scenic landscape and mountains of Arashiyama. We couldn't experience this train ride in 2019 because a typhoon had made the tracks impassable shortly before our arrival in Japan. So we were really looking forward to finally get on this train. While waiting for the train, we enjoyed some matcha soft serve ice cream. The train is especially popular in spring, as the route is surrounded by hundreds of cherry blossom trees. However, due to the unusual cold weather in late March, we were in for a very different experience today.
Hozugawa 渓谷の美しい景色ですけれども、1号車から4号車のお客様は一部の席を除き窓の開け閉め
All the trees you see here would usually bloom in full glory and are also illuminated at night, making the Sagano romantic train particularly spectacular after sunset. The ride is also worth a visit in autumn, when the mountains are painted in breathtaking shades of red. If you plan to visit during these popular seasons, be sure to reserve a ticket in advance. During our journey, a sudden blizzard swept through the mountains. The train felt like it had turned into the Polar Express. If you are wondering about their faces, it's not only because they are wearing the wrong clothes for this kind of weather. We had already booked the Hozugawa River cruise for our return journey. It's a traditional boat ride along the Hozu River, passing through narrow gorges and accompanied by fast-moving currents. It was our only way back to the Togetsu Bridge. Can you imagine enduring such a ride in the middle of the snowstorm? Neither could we, so we tried everything to find out if we could cancel, only to realize that the money would be gone if we did. So the sight of the snowstorm was both beautiful and terrifying at the same time. It was even snowing inside of the train.
Papa, wir haben keine Zeit. Komm, beeil dich. Das Boot kommt gleich, sonst kommen wir gar nicht mehr zurück. Mit dem Bus erst?
We managed to catch the bus that would at least take us to a sheltered bus station where we could wait for the boat ride and pray for better weather. Still, not knowing that all the hot drinks will be sold out by the time we arrive. So I bought my two favorite men in life some cozy blankets to keep them warm. We prepared ourselves for the worst, only to get out and see this.
Was ist hier los? Das ist doch unglaublich.
We put on our life jackets and got on the boat tour.
Ich hoffe auch, du kotzt nicht.
英語喋れます。喋れます。もうここ来てほな通訳よ。
This tour promises to be both fun and exciting.
はい行くよ。危险危险。はいヘッドダウン。大丈夫。
However, the ride is also dangerous due to strong currents and hidden rocks. Only an experienced boatman can navigate these waters safely. There was a serious accident in 2023, so even though it may look easy and fun, there is always a risk of turbulence during the ride.
狭いジャパニーズギリギリギリギリナローイコールギリギリデンジャーイコールやばいそれ覚えておいてくださいトロッコステーション亀岡トロッコステーション奥は JR 手前がトロッコですハードスプラッシュ OK やばいよやばいハードスプラッシュやばいはい行くよ Here we go はいこっちやばいよせー最後Romantic play. Hi, very smile. Please shake your hand. Hanashi. Hanashi. I love you. I love you. I love you. Hi, thank you. Hi, let's go. Oh my God, やばい。Okay. Oh my god! やばいよ足絶対上げないで来るよほら来た来た来た来たOh my god! はいワンモアワンモアいくよいくよせーのイェーイvery easy very easy 正面これはいやばいよやばいよジャパニーズやばいイコールデンジャーはいレッツゴーこっち来るよこっち側ねあこう真ん中やばいよあもうちゃんじゃあおせいせいいくよカウントダウン3 2 1はいやばいよガードアッププリーズ次こっちでお願いまたやばいほらやばいほらほらやばいよレッツゴーはいこれ来るよおおはいまだよあと2つ来るよはい来た来たやばい前が JR レールウェイ Let's go! Big way! 来るよやばいはい今度やばい忍者 Oh my god やばいおーやばいはい来るよOh my god おせいせいはいワンモアハードターン90度のカーブを曲げます Very hard splash Okay はい Let's go おやばいはい傾くよわー Oh my god Okay揃ってますたまに2人ぐらいでやらへんなる時あるんですはい OK Excuse me do you know Snoopy dog Snoopy dog yes next to Snoopy's face rock スヌーピーの顔の岩ありますはい please look left side Snoopy's face rock スヌーピーはい、ありがとう。シュートさしたね。ありがとう。Thank you. Oh, sorry. No push. No kick. No punch. Thank you. これ前行けよ。 pushing point. Okay? Pushing point. 3, 2, 1. And yo! Wow! One more. Oh, yo! Yo, 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 yo. Mickey Mouse. あ、前の嫁さん、ちょっとお願いしますよ。ミッキーマウス。いや。彼の説明変わります。Hey, one more pushing point. 3, 2, 1, and yo! Now! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey, very narrow. Yeah. Wow, safe. Wow, 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 wow. Woo. Hey, 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 hey! Wow, 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 yo, wow! Oh shit! Hey, 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 hey! Wow, やばいよ! Ah, やばいよ! やばいやばいやばいやばいやばいやばい Shit! Wow, yeah! Yeah! Oh, backboard man! Good job! Woo. Thank you. Social media. コマーシャル。OK。
かわいい。
小倉山。峰の。Wow, romantic play. Hey, wow, swim to the romantic play. I shake you. Smile, smile. Please. Oh, Tanabe. Sagano. 助けていく。JR トレイン。JR トレイン。ストレート。はい、次ラスト。ビッグウェーブ、OK。ハードスプラッシュ。Oh my god。お、やばい。はい。よ。せーの。全くやる気ない。星のや、星野リゾート。星のや。星のや京都。星のや。ありがとう。はい、あります。あ、見たことある。ウェルカム。星のや。星のウェルカム。Oh, 7-Eleven enjoy. はい、7-Elevenも enjoy. ちょっと7個カード使います。
We ordered some mitarashi dango, which are mochi skewers coated with a sweet soy sauce glaze. We finished the tour after 90 minutes, with great respect for the boatmen who risk their lives here every day. But that wasn't all for our last day in Kyoto. We had also reserved tickets for an illumination show at Nijô Castle, so we headed back to the station. Arashiyama station is also truly magical at night. The colorful pillars you see here are covered with kimono fabrics. After sunset, they light up, illuminating the entire station with stunning colors and patterns. They are also a popular photo spot. We had dinner at Kuda Sushi on our way. After sunset, we arrived at Nijô Castle. The Sakura festival here was an illumination event created by Naked Ink. This creative company hosts various illumination events at Nijô Castle throughout the year, making it a potential highlight to consider during your visit to Kyoto. Sadly, many trees weren't blooming yet, due to the late cherry blossom season this year. But the first blooming trees were truly stunning, especially at night. There was even a small night market where you could buy unique goods and Sakura-themed food and drinks. This was all for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!